Perfect, guys, and welcome back to my channel, Just Ari. Now today I have another video in store for you, and today I've decided to make coquito, and it's a drink that's usually made around Christmas time, and it hails from Puerto Rico, and I'm making it a bit different, keto-ish style. I'm going to be using Cruzan from the sister island, originated from the sister island of St. Croix. I'll be using coconut milk and coconut cream, both of which are unsweetened. And I'm going to sweeten it with some 0-calorie sweetener, Splenda we have here, imitation or whatever, vanilla essence, flavor, extract, whatever you want to call it. I have a mini little blender. Of course, you're gonna have some ground nutmeg and some ground cinnamon, and a bottle if you're gifting it to someone, and I'm gifting it to my older sister. So this is the bottle that I'll be transferring it in for her, but I'm also gonna be making some for myself. Anyway, if you wanna watch and see me go through the process of making coquito, then keep on watching this video. Thank you. Here are the list of ingredients that you'll need for the coquito recipe, including specific measurements, especially if you're using a regular size blender. It's me again. I'm now plugging in my magic bullet. I don't have a regular size blender, so this is what I'm using. Then I'm gonna open the coconut milk and the coconut cream. And I don't use any specific measurements here, and I know some people don't like that. That's why I included the specific measurements at the very beginning of the video. So I'm just gonna open and take some spoonfuls and put that in the blender cup or the bullet cup, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just eyeballing it here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in the spices, some nutmeg, ground nutmeg, and some ground cinnamon to my blender cup. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the vanilla essence or vanilla flavoring or extract, whatever term you choose to use. Then I'm gonna add in some of my sugar replacement. And remember, if you're using the regular recipe with the Coco Lopez, you don't need sugar because that is already sweet. I'm using the sugar because both my coconut milk and my coconut cream are unsweetened. Now here is where we make it a grown-up drink. So I'm adding some white rum, Cruzan. Pour. And I know that's not a lot, but I'm going to pour some more later on. And I'm just going to blend it up for a bit. Get everything all mixed together. Boom, there we go. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more rum because I think my sister likes it a little bit on the stronger side. So I add a little bit more, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that again. And obviously, before I would gift this to anyone or serve it to anyone, obviously I do a taste test to see if maybe I need to add some more sugar, or maybe it's lacking in some rum or whatever. And you should do the same. Okay, all done. And now to bottle it up. So I don't have a funnel as yet, so I'm just pouring that from the blender cup into just a red cup. I'm not sure if it's Solo, I think that's the brand, but it doesn't matter. Just pouring that in carefully into the bottle. And I'm just going to repeat that process until all the liquid is in there. Yeah, and then cover that up and refrigerate. And then, of course, you are going to serve it cold. And there you have it, Ari's Keto Coquito. I hope that you try this recipe. If you do, let me know. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye. See you in the next one.